Thank you for joining us. My name is John Amato. I'm a technical trainer with Autel. In this video, we're going to look at the different TPMS sensor products that we offer to our customers. We're going to take a closer look at case quantities, part numbers, and packaging so we can establish which products will best suit the needs of repairers. Whether it's a high-volume chain of tire shops or an individual repairer engaged in general service and maintenance, we have the perfect solution for their needs. Let's get started. The MX Sensor 1 sensor is packaged individually in two different configurations with our push-button swappable stem system. One is available pre-packaged with a rubber stem. The part number is 1-sensor, and one is available packaged with a metal stem, and the part number is 1-sensor M. For customers that prefer a more traditional screw-type mounted stem to the sensor, we offer two different configurations. We offer the 1 sensor with a screw-type fixed valve stem in rubber, and the part number is 300020, or the 1 sensor packaged with a metal valve stem, which is a screw-type mount to the sensor as well. The part number is 300030. In addition to individually packaged sensors, Autel offers several different case quantities to fulfill the needs and requirements of different customers depending on the volume of sensors that they sell. This is our 8-pack of 1 sensors that come equipped with our innovative push-button swappable valve stem system. They're packaged with rubber stems. The part number is 300040. For customers requiring a higher volume of sensors for their repair shop, we offer the 20-pack of MX Sensor 1 sensors. They come equipped with rubber valve stems as well as Autel's innovative push-button swappable stem system. The part number for our 20-pack is 300010. In addition to rubber stems, we also offer our 20-pack of sensors equipped with metal stems. The part number for that is 300060. And now the third quantity that's available for customers that have a very high volume operation is our 240-pack of sensors. With the 240-pack, we could meet the needs of customers with chain repair shops or very high volume operations. There's also a small cost savings involved in purchasing sensors in bulk. The part number for the 240-pack of sensors equipped with rubber valve stems and our push-button swappable stem system is 300050. Let's talk about some of the valve stem related accessories that are available for the MX Sensor 1 sensor. For the push-button swappable stem system, we offer replacement valves in packs of 4 in both metal and rubber. The part number for the metal stem kit is MX Sensor MVK. For the rubber stem kit, it's MX Sensor RVK. If our customer is using the screw-type valve mounting system for the MX Sensor 1 sensor, we offer valve stem kits in quantities of 4 the same way, in both metal and rubber. The part number for the rubber replacement stems is 500010. For the metal stems, it's part number 500020. We also offer metal valve stems packaged individually in 3 special colors. We offer matte black, chrome, and Titan gray. The part number for the matte black is CV001. The chrome is CV003, and Titan gray is CV002. We also offer individually packaged valve stems in both metal and rubber for our push-button swappable stem system. The individually packaged rubber stem is part number MX Sensor RV. The metal stem is MX Sensor MV. We hope you found this video informative. It was my pleasure to bring it to you. For more information about Autel TPMS sensors and tools, visit us at autel.com or maxitpms.com. Thanks for watching.